Hello everyone. Say hello ma'am. How are you? Say I am fine. Thank you ma'am. Very nice. So, have you seen binoculars? What is binoculars? Have you seen? बाइनोक्यूलर्स को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं दूरबीन, जिससे हम दूर की चीज़ों को देख सकते हैं, है ना। जैसे बर्ड्स होती है दूर दूर, हम उसको किससे देखते हैं? बाइनोक्यूलर्स से। सो वी डोंट हैव बाइनोक्यूलर्स एंड द मार्केट इज ऑफ। सो टुडे आई हैव अ DIY फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। आज हम बनाएंगे बाइनोक्यूलर्स। हम क्या बनाएंगे? बाइनोक्यूलर्स। हम बाइनोक्यूलर्स बनाएंगे, दूरबीन बनाएंगे और फिर हम उससे खेलेंगे। We will play with it. So the name of today's activity is DIY indoor game, जिसमें हम क्या बनाएंगे? DIY binoculars। हम क्या बनाएंगे? DIY binoculars. Okay everyone, so the material required for this activity is paper roll. If you don't have paper roll, you can take 2 paper cups, then a string, next colors, and if you have color tape. Okay everyone, so let's start our activity without wasting any time. For this activity, I have 2 paper rolls. You can use the paper cups as well. आपको क्या करना है? पेपर कप की दिस साइड को रिमूव कर देना। ओके, फॉर बाइनोक्यूलर्स, बिकॉज बाइनोक्यूलर्स के दोनों साइड हॉलो होनी चाहिए। ओके, नाउ सेकेंड इज सम कलर्स, पेंट ब्रश, 1 scissor, tape, 1 string, a thread, and 1 craft paper. Okay everyone, let's start our activity. First I'm going to color these paper rolls. Okay, you can use any color. I am using yellow color. Okay, which color I am using? I am using yellow color. So first you have to color it, so it will look more attractive. हम इसको कलर करेंगे। Very nice, color it. Very good. Slowly, slowly, easily. Wow, it is looking nice. Very good. Color it. Like this. Very nice. Now keep it aside till it dry. Now take the another one and paint it as well. Paint it. Very good. Easy. Slowly paint it. Very good. Very nice. Again, keep it aside till it dry. Now it is dry, you can see. Very nice. Now place it like this, and with the help of sellotape we are going to paste. Cut a part of sellotape and paste it like this, both of them. Okay, now again same on the other side से भी paste करेंगे। Take a part of sellotape and paste it like this. Secure it tightly. Same on this side. Place it. You can roll the cellotape like this also, so that it is secured. Very good. Now cut the remaining part with the help of scissors. Like this. Now take a color paper, cut a strip. Strip cut करेंगे. And now paste it like this. Secure it with the help of tape. Tape की help से secure कर. This. Same on this side, cut a strip so it will look more beautiful. Very good. This. Secure it with the help of tape. Tightly. Like this. Now almost our binoculars are ready. Now take a string and हम इसको both side पे paste करेंगे with the help of tape, so that we can hang this binoculars in our neck like this, and हम इसको tape से secure कर देंगे tightly. Very good. Now again next side, same, paste it. Very good. So our binoculars are ready. You can hang it in your neck and these are ready to use. So class, you can make your own binoculars like this for your fun. And हम इससे क्या देखेंगे? Birds देखेंगे. This is eco-friendly DIY binoculars. You can make the same for yourself at your home with some stuff which is easily available at our home. So this is all done for today. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay safe and stay at home. I will see you in the next class.